Alright, we're heading straight to the D.
The team went this way.
Did
I'm
they?
just letting you know. So they're going out and around, so we need to cut down straight down the middle and go.
Yep.
Alright, recon, on me, let's go.
Alright, team, let's go.
Recon's up first, go.
Recon, with them.
Alright, Recon? I like to be late, I'm not wearing
No, you're with me.
Alright.
Gavin, you're with me too.
Oh.
I need all the guns I can get today.
Alright, we should hand you all of our guns.
Alright. Sniper, you're with them. Alright. Keep your guns up, guys. We're out of spawn. Gunny, I want you up there. Kyle, building.
I cannot.
Move up. Got him. Guys, be careful around corners. Drop to semi.
Moving to the building.
Yep, careful.
You hit?
Yeah. Bang, bang. Yeah, we're good. Check tower.
Yeah, he's dead.
I don't remember this spot. I cannot see. Where is it?
Alright, right there.
This is the broken one, isn't it?
Yep.
Come on, double time.
Just hook it up and put it up top.
That's what I'm planning on doing.
Keep your gun up, freaking John. Keep it up. Alright.
Okay.
Woo! We got the first base.
That means we at least have 5. Actually, I didn't even die once.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, John.
Yeah,
Twice.
I didn't die yet.
I died twice. I died once.
Oh, I died. No, I did. I got hit in the leg.
Did you?
Yep.
Was that when you were in the tower?
Yeah, no, that's when you got me, Kyle.
Gavin got lit up on the leg.
Who did?
Gavin.
You okay? Yeah.
All I saw was like 4 BBs hit him right in the leg.
It just surprised me.
Why?
Here, I got some ones.
Does anyone have
Go
a
on my
non-stuck battery that I use them that's charged?
I have a battery that's charged, but I gotta keep it from my gun because that goes to the battery real quick.